What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Tom. Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the United States. Do you like living in Canada?
Yes, I love it here. It's peaceful. Do you like where you live?
I do. I enjoy the city life. What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to kids. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I work with websites and apps. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I do. It's so rewarding. What do you enjoy most about your job?
I love being creative. Every project is different. Do you teach young kids?
Yes, I teach kids aged 8 to 12. They're energetic. How about you? Is your work stressful?
Sometimes, especially when there's a deadline. But I enjoy it. What do you do to relax?
I like reading or going for walks. What about you?
I play video games or watch movies. I also love drawing. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I enjoy mystery novels. They're exciting. Do you read?
Not much, but I like comic books. Do you have any other hobbies?
I love hiking. I go every weekend. How about you?
I haven't hiked much, but I'd like to try. Where do you usually go hiking?
There's a trail near my house. It's beautiful. Do you play any sports?
Not really, but I enjoy swimming. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook often. I make a great salad. What about you?
I love cooking too. I'm good at making pasta. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. It's my favorite. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. How about you?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
That sounds lovely. Well, I have to go now. It was nice talking to you, Sarah.
You too, Tom. Take care.
Bye, Sarah.